Alright guys, chapter 10, section 7, the addition rule. And the addition rule is pretty light. This is the addition rule of probability. So, before we go into the addition rule, and there's two rules, addition rule 1 and addition rule 2. Let's focus on something that's called mutually exclusive events. Now it says here, two events are mutually exclusive if they cannot both occur at the same time. That is, events have no outcomes in common. And we're going to go over mutually exclusive events. Now, it says here for 8A through C. In drawing cards from a standard deck, decide if the two events are mutually exclusive or not. If not, list the outcomes that the event have in common. Okay. So you're drawing cards from a standard deck of cards. And drawing a 4 and drawing a 6. And we want to determine, are they mutually exclusive? What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the basic concepts of probability and look at my sample space for my cards. Let's clear this. Now drawing a 4 is here. Drawing a 6 is here. If you notice, there's no overlaps between the 4 and the 6 because the categories for drawing a 4 and drawing a 6 does not overlap. My events are mutually exclusive. They have nothing in common. Now, we're going to do the same thing. So we want to see if drawing a 4 and drawing a heart are mutually exclusive. Let's go back and let's determine that. So we're drawing a 4 and then we're drawing a heart. These are my hearts. If you look here, there is an overlap between the 4 and the hearts, which is the 4 of hearts. Because there is at least one overlap between my two events, these events are not mutually exclusive. Not mutually exclusive. And what they have in common is going to be the 4 of hearts. Okay, and the last one is drawing a red and drawing a face card. So we're going back to the card sample space. Let's clear this. So drawing a red card, I'm going to box that in. And drawing a face card, I'm going to box that in. And face is Jack, King, Queen. And if you notice, there are overlaps. There's actually more than one overlap. The overlaps is going to be the Jack of Hearts, the Queen of Hearts, the King of Hearts, Jack of Diamonds, Queen of Diamonds, King of Diamonds. So these are not mutually exclusive events. Not mutually exclusive. And the reason why is because we have the Jack of Hearts, the Queen of Hearts, excuse my handwriting, King of Hearts, Jack of Diamonds, Queen of Diamonds, and King of Diamond. And that is the answer. So that's basically mutually exclusive events. Alright guys, that is it to this video. Hope you guys understood how to determine mutually exclusive events. And the case on your Alex, you have to determine that as well using the 2 dice sample space. You guys can feel free to copy this down. And you guys have a good understanding of mutually exclusive events when it comes to rolling 2 dice. Alright guys, that is it. And I'll see you in the next video.